that video you just saw. We've been seeing clips like that everywhere this week. They keep showing up across social media, and honestly, they look so real. You start asking yourself, was this actually filmed somewhere or generated by AI? That question led us to one name, Seedance 2.0. Because while most people were still talking about Kling, Sora, and Seedream, ByteDance quietly dropped a new video tool. And within days, it went viral. Creators were generating cinematic scenes, emotional dialogue, even full action moments using this AI. So the hype is real, but the real question is, does it actually live up to it? Today, AIChief is putting Seedance 2.0 to a real test, step by step, with real prompts and real results. Let's see what this thing can actually do. Hello guys, I'm Clay Fletcher, your host from AIChief. I test the newest creative tools so you do not waste time on hype, and I show you the ones that are actually worth using. And if you want weekly tutorials, fresh prompts, and new tools before they go mainstream, make sure you join the free AIChief newsletter. The link is in the description. But before we test anything, there's one thing most people want to know first. How do you try Seedance right now? And can you use it for free? Because tools this powerful usually come with waitlists, region locks, or invite codes that keep most people out. But this time, we found the easiest way to access it today. Right now, you can try Seedance directly through Seedance 2 app. The link is in the description below. And here's the surprising part. You can generate a full video completely free the moment you open the page. No sign up, no approval, nothing. Then, after creating a free account, you unlock 30 credits, which is enough to properly test cinematic scenes, dialogue, and short story moments. The interface is also simple. You can switch between text to video and image to video features. Additionally, there are more features like video size, duration, quality, and audio. And that's basically it. And now comes the real test, because the first generation usually tells you everything. So, let's create our first cinematic scene. We'll start with the text to video option that's already selected at the top. In the description box, I'm pasting a cinematic prompt. Now, before hitting generate, I'm just adjusting the settings the way I want them. I'll keep the video in a 16:9 landscape frame, set the duration to around 12 seconds, and make sure audio is turned on, while the fixed camera stays off, so the scene can move naturally. Once that looks right, I'll click generate video, and let's see what we get. Okay, that's genuinely impressive for a first try. And if it can already do this with a simple test, imagine what happens when we try something people would actually use. To check it further, let's create a quick ad with it. Because if Seedance can produce a clean product commercial with good lighting and smooth camera motion, that's when it stops being just cool and starts being useful. I'm gonna use a prompt to create a luxury perfume shot. I'm keeping the settings the same, and let's hit generate. Wow. That actually looks like a real product commercial, but ads are still a controlled setup. Let's push this a little further and try something made purely to grab attention. So, for this last test, let's try something built for pure visual impact, the kind of short clip people loop on social media without even thinking. I'm going with a satisfying slow motion splash scene. Same settings again, and let's generate. Yeah, this makes sense. Honestly, clips like this are already pulling in millions of views. And that explains why Seedance 2.0 suddenly feels like it's everywhere. You scroll for a few minutes and start seeing recreated movie scenes, alternate endings, and random cinematic moments that feel much bigger than the setup used to create them. And right now, people aren't just watching these clips, they're already comparing Seedance to other powerful video models. You'll see side-by-side tests with Sora 2, Seedream, and Kling, trying to figure out which one feels more realistic, which one handles motion better, and which one comes closest to real cinematic control. We've spent a lot of time testing those tools ourselves, and we've created full, step-by-step tutorials on each of them here on the channel. So, if you want a deeper breakdown after this, you can check those videos next. And now I'm curious what you think. After seeing these results, do you feel like Seedance is already beating the others, or is it still catching up? Let me know in the comments. And if you haven't joined the free AIChief newsletter yet, you'll find a link in the description. That's it for this one. Thanks for watching AIChief, and I'll see you in the next video.